The Nissan GTR is widely regarded as one of the most iconic nameplates of all time, and not only within tuner culture but among car enthusiasts worldwide. As well as the built-in capabilities of the GTR, have allowed Nissan to extend the life of the current generation R35 model, which hit the market in 2009. The Japanese automaker has refined the GTR since then, but the core formula has remained the same: a 3.8-liter V6 engine, 2 turbochargers, a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and an ATTES all-wheel drive system. Allowed the Nissan Super Coupe to reign supreme, including the unbelievable Nürburgring lap times, but has since been dethroned by rivals such as the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 and Porsche 911 Turbo. Besides being beaten by most of its competitors, the GTR's Spartan interior also means it's outclassed. Despite these flaws, the GTR is still an exemplary machine that can sprint in about 3 seconds, likely to see her make a charming return after putting one last smoke out and exploding into the history of tire smoke. The 2023 GTR's standard twin-turbo 3.8-liter V6 engine makes 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque. It's hooked up to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, conspiring to put all that power to the curb. The GTR launches itself from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The GTR's fast steering, rigid structure, adjustable suspension and all-wheel drive can make even amateurs feel positively heroic from behind the wheel. The ride is steady but not excruciating, and, thanks to active noise cancellation, the roar of the GTR's engine doesn't strain your eardrums while cruising down the highway. Check out the Nismo model with a tuned engine that produces 600 horsepower and 481 pound-feet of torque, but know that you will pay dearly for it. Inside, the GTR's front seats are roomy, but the rear seats are a place only young children can feel comfortable. The interior is well appointed and offers a number of standard features, but those looking for a high-end interior like the Audi R8 or Mercedes-AMG GT will be disappointed by the materials and finishes. Each model has dual-zone climate control, leather and suede upholstery, heated front seats and more. Storage is a rare interior cubby with nothing more than large door pockets and a small center console holder. Every 2023 GTR is equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen which can also be controlled with a rotary knob on the center console. While Apple CarPlay capability, built-in navigation, and an 11-speaker Bose audio system are standard, Android Auto isn't an option. The infotainment system is fairly easy to use, although the graphics and menus aren't the most appealing.